Hey, good morning everybody. Today I am going to do something a little different. I ran out of floetrol the other day and I'm going to get some later, but I was trying to find the middle of my canvas if y'all are wondering what I was just doing with my measuring tape because I can never find it. But anyway, what I was saying is the other day I ran out of floetrol and I just decided to mix up some paint with glue and water. Now, I mix my glue and water together in a container and I put 70% glue, 30% water, and I shake it up and I mix that, one part of that, to almost a whole part of paint. I try not to put a whole part, but you have to have it thick for the colors to be nice and vibrant, I think anyway, from what I've noticed. So that's what I did. And so now I mixed up several colors. So I'm just layering. I'm just going to make puddles in the center. And this may take a minute, so I will speed up the video just a bit because it's going to take a little bit. So now, let me torch one more time. I see a lot of bubbles. Just get those out of the way. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna spin it again. Well, I will in a second, but I'll show you first what I wanted to do is I'm gonna use a paintbrush, the end of a paintbrush, and I'm gonna go out like this. And I think Fiona Art has done this, like she makes flowers, but that's not what I'm doing. I just want to make a design, so I'm going straight out from the center. Then I'm going to go like this. Then I want to take it like at a curve. Just go all the way around. Might do it one more time. Let me think about it. Yeah, let's do it. One more through, and then we'll spin. Like so. Missed a couple. I'm just making a design, not necessarily a flower, this time. So I didn't go through that one. I don't have to go through every single one, but I guess it might look better if it was even. So, okay. So there we go. Now I'm going to spin the sucker. See what happens. Just want to make sure it stays even, which is hard to do sometimes, but all right. It's never exactly even ever. Down this way a little bit. Okay. One more time. Trying to get it off the edge. Down here, for some reason, it's taking it a little longer, but this is cool. All right, one more spin, and that's it. I think that's good. Be careful when you stop it because it tends to screw up sometimes. This is pretty cool. Trippy, trippy. Reminds me of the 70s. Alright guys, well I hope you like it. Now this gold, I didn't even tell you my colors. I will put them in the description, but this gold is 24 karat gold, so I'm hoping it'll put quite the shine. Get it shine on. It'll be getting its shine on. But we will see if that works. Alright guys, that's it. Pretty cool. I'll see you next video. Take care. Bye-bye.